Okay, everybody. I know I've had a lot of comments saying people like to see the F-250 done first, but I've kind of committed myself to this one. So my thoughts in the beginning was to whether I cut this along this line right here, or just go right across and build a roll bar to support the windshield and all that. So I've decided to just go ahead and cut it off, cut it across here, and today we're going to do that, and we're going to do this part, and then roll across the back, and then see how it looks, and go from there. Eventually I'm going to take these doors out, and I'm just going to put some metal doors in here with hinges so that they can swing it in and out, and I'm thinking about putting a magnet in behind and go from there, you know. So you want to see the kind of material I'm going to use. I'll show that to you right now. So I have a variety of different material. This here be a 3/16 brake tubing. I have several sticks of that. Let's see, how many do I have? I'm not sure if I brought it all in. Okay, I got 1, 2, almost 1 and 2. I have 2 sticks right here right now. I believe I do have more out in the barn. I have a what looks like 5/16 solid. I have one of those right here. I have 3/16 solid. I have 1, 2, alright, 4, 5, 6 of those. I have 3 of the, I have 3 1/8 inch. So this is the material I'm going to use to build roll cage for the Jeep. It's also the same kind of material I'm going to use to build the roll cage for the post-apocalyptic Mustang. The post-apocalyptic Mustang is on hold at the moment, pending some important parts, which I don't have the money for right now. So but I have, as you can see, I have plenty of metal here. I can solder, I can I can braze or weld any of these together. This obviously would be more like a, the quarter 5/16. What is it? Yeah, 5/16 solid. Be more for like a bumper if I was to make one. So and go from there, right? So anyway, this 3/16 brake tubing right here is pretty darn strong. It may not seem like it right now, because it's like full length and it's kind of flimsy, but once it's cut down and reinforced, it is a lot stronger than you'd think. So if it doesn't end up having enough strength, I can always add in this right here. So you can go from there, right? So anyway, I have plenty of material to work with, and but now that I've shown you that, let's move on to cutting the top off the Jeep. Alright, so cutting the top off the Jeep. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my my scissors, and I'm just going to cut these right here first. I'm not going to go all the way down to the line that I imagined right now. I'm just going to cut these off. It'll give us an idea what the Jeep will look like without the top on it. Alright, so I don't have any straight scissors. I just have these curved ones right here. If I had some straight ones, well, actually I do, but they're not exactly made for cutting this right here. I'm going to start by just I'm going to cut these posts right here and see how that looks. Alright, so I probably cut way too much into it over on this side, so I'm going to have to adapt for that. If we were to go ahead and put this on here, whoops, turned wrong. Cool thing about this body is that it sits, the back end of it sits right on the bumper area right here. So, so what do y'all think of that? Obviously, I'll have to clean up this part right here. I probably should have used some tape or something to give me a guideline, but I just wanted to cut it just to give you guys an idea. This will be taken down, back here will be taken down to a line right here, and pretty much go straight across and then up. I'm going to take these mirrors off. They may be reattached later, I'm not sure. They're still good mirrors, so I'll take those mirrors off, open up the windshield right here that has just a sticker on it. And can you imagine a roll cage just coming up and then going straight back around, probably mounting onto here or something like that. You know, then the battery tray back in here, right here. Most likely take it out, put a battery up in front right here. The small one, just sitting right up there. It should fit right up there with the grill. It should, if I get a small one. I should give it plenty of, you know, front end weight. So weight distribution will be right, and you know, we can go from there, right? So next time we see this, I'm gonna have all this here cut out, this here all straightened out, and we can get to work on mocking up the roll cage. You know, it's going to all be integrated up in the front here, come along the side, below the line here, come up. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these mounts or not. I'm not sure. I may just go with like some sort of magnet or Velcro mounting. I'm just not sure. I mean, what would you do? It's not like the best cut job in the world, that's for sure. May have to put myself a line right here so I can actually cut a straight line. I don't know. And go from there, right? So actually, let's just do that right quick and see if I can straighten that out. Okay. Alright, so I've actually had people tell me that I can't cut a straight line to save my life, and at this moment I'm thinking they're right, because I kind of went into the tape a little bit right here, but I'm thinking that if I was able to get the roll bar fairly straight over here, that it'll be alright. I mean, this will be just about the right thickness right here, so that'll be okay. It's kind of like, you know, can you guys imagine where I'm going with this or not. You know, any suggestions? I'm open. I'm not sure. You know, I may or may not use your suggestion. But I am open to it. Any comments, ideas? Please feel free to do that. In the meantime, I'll be cutting this all out over here. I'm gonna leave these here for now until the actual cage is done. So yeah, just let me know what you think of that. So until next time, have fun out there.